Have you ever felt stuck in a loop, asking yourself, why is this happening to me? Why I'm not moving forward? Why I'm not getting this job? And really not able to find the answers despite you trying everything. Today we're going to break that cycle and transform your life by changing the questions you ask to yourself. So, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you that how changing just one word can completely transform your life. So, hi, I'm Sonali, and welcome to my channel, The Joyful Healing. And I'm so happy to have you here. So, today we are going to uncover the hidden power of questions we ask ourselves and why most of us are asking the wrong questions, and that's why we are creating the wrong frequency in our life, and hence we are not able to get the results. So, if you're ready, let's quickly jump in and understand what's happening here. Most of the times, most of us are trapped in what I call as a while loop, right? So we keep asking, just look into your life and just remember that what kind of questions you ask in the areas where you are stuck. So let's say why I'm always stressed, or if it is in the health area, why can't I lose weight, or why I'm not getting the desired job, or why I'm not moving forward, right? So all of these questions feel natural, right? But here is the problem. The why questions actually keep you stuck in the victim mode. Because it's actually making you focus on what you don't want or what is not working, right? So because you're asking why I'm not moving forward. So you're still focusing on problems and not solutions. So what is that we can do? So basically what we have to do is that we have to change the questions we ask ourselves. And how we are going to do is that replace why with the questions that starts with how and what. Because studies have shown that the questions we ask to ourselves literally rewire our neural pathways. Because if you're asking the limiting questions like why I'm stuck, why I'm not moving forward, your brain actually finds the limiting answers. But if you ask empowering questions such as instead of why I'm not moving forward, what can I do to move or take one step ahead towards my goal, right? So our thoughts are shaped by the questions we ask ourselves. So let's give let me just give you some examples. So why I am always stressed versus if you ask yourself, what can I do to feel more relaxed? Just check how this shifts your frequency, it shifts your vibrations. Because now you're taking your power back. You're no longer in that victim mode that, oh, what should I do? Why is it happening, right? And similarly, like if you're saying that why I'm not achieving my goal, just try changing that. What is a small step I can take today to move closer to my goal? So instead of focusing that what is not working, we're actually focusing on that what is that small action I can take that will help me progress, right? Why I'm not getting my desired job? It feels so frustrating, isn't it? So let's try changing it to, let's say, how can I enhance my skills or maybe network to increase my chances of finding a desired job? You see, so we are shifting your focus to growth and opportunity instead of asking why is it not happening. And let's say you're saying that why I'm always tired, why I don't have the energy, right? And you're not able to find that solution. So let's try changing that. So what's one thing I can do today to boost my energy? What is one thing I can include in my food that will help me nourish better, right? So can you see the difference? Because the why question actually leaves you powerless, whereas the questions like what and how actually puts you in the driver's seat, where you actually can control and bring more actionable, thoughts for you. And sometimes I have seen you being an artist. Sometimes I ask myself, why I'm not that creative, and it really creates that frustration within me sometimes. And in fact, asking these questions anyway is not giving me a solution. So I started asking that, how can I nurture my creativity today? How can I take a small step to create something new today? So you see this shift in questioning, the way that you are asking the questions can actually lead to new insights and actions. And something like, when most of the times we say that also the questions like when, when will I get this? When will I lose the weight? So even that you can change and say that what are some of the healthy choices I can make today that will help me support my weight loss? So it's keeping you in the present instead of focusing on when I will achieve it. So the quality of your questions actually shapes the quality of your life. So whenever you are feeling stuck in asking yourself why and when, change that to how and what. So how will I achieve this? Instead of that, ask that what small step I can take towards my goal. When will I succeed? Replace that with what can I do right now to feel successful? So it helps you keep in present moment and also brings your mind to focus on more of possibility and action. So from now on, I want you to just make this as a daily practice. And in fact, you can, just after this video, just identify or write it down that, what are the questions or the limiting questions you keep asking, especially the ones which starts with why. And reframe this into the empowering questions. So instead of why, you are going to replace that with the questions which starts with what and how. And practice it consistently. See, because everything needs practice. So make it as a daily practice to ask these questions. And believe me, you will see the change and the shift in within few days. I have seen within myself, and because I have understood that the quality of questions actually shapes the quality of your life. So reframe your question, make it more empowering than the limiting one, and see the change in your life. And I would definitely encourage you and invite you to that whatever questions you are working on, please do share in the comment section so that others can also get help from it, right? And believe me that you're not stuck because of your circumstances or because something is not happening or something that you are not doing. You are stuck just because of your questions. So change your questions and you change your focus. And when you change your focus, you change your actions. And when you change your actions, you transform your life. So I hope this resonated with you. And please do share your experience in the comment section. I would love to read them. And remember that better questions lead to better answers. And better answers lead to better life. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, just remember the right questions can change your life. So thank you for watching. And I hope to see you soon. Till then, keep smiling and be well. Take care.